Hi, welcome to this video. Here we are going to discuss a question from the overlapping sets. Let's read the question here. Exactly 14% of the reporters for the certain wireless service cover local politics in country X, which also means that if some people are covering local politics, some people are not covering local politics. If 30% of the reporters who cover politics for the wire service do not cover local politics, which means there is also a category of people, as the question wants us to define, people who cover politics and employees who do not cover politics at all. So here we have the grid ready. People who cover politics, no politics. People who cover local politics, no local politics. Exactly 14%. If I say that the total population of the reporters is 100, then 14 of them cover local politics. That means this becomes 40, this becomes the remaining 86. If 30% of the reporters who cover politics, let's assume that the people who cover politics is represented by X. Reporters who cover politics is X, and 30% of them do not cover local politics. So this is the place who do not cover local politics out of those who cover politics. So this is 30%. 30% of X becomes 0.3x, which means this automatically becomes the remaining 0.7x. We can say x minus 0.3x is equal to 0.7x. Now, what percent of the reporters for the wire service do not cover politics? Now we need to find out the value of this particular region in terms of percentages. So to answer this, we have to see if we have the given information now. We don't have the value of x to subtract it from 100 and get the question mark. So here you have to use a little bit of logical ability, and which is, do you realize what this cell represents? It represents people who cover politics but who do not cover politics but cover local politics. Now we know that local politics is a subset of politics. That means this particular region cannot have any value. It must be 0 essentially, because if any reporter does not cover politics, then there is no point of the reporter covering the local politics anyway. And since this part becomes 0, then this whole 14 will be shifted into this cell because the sum of these two numbers is written here, which means the same value that we are writing as 0.7x is equivalent to 14. If you simplify this, you get x is equal to 20. So we have this value 20, that means we have this value 80, and that's what the question is asking, the percentage of reporters who do not cover politics. So the answer is option D, that is 80%. I hope you enjoyed the explanation. If you liked it, please hit the like button and also subscribe the channel. That really helps these videos reach out to a large audience. Thank you so much.